What's up, guys? It's my birthday today, and as a present to myself, I decided to ride to Yosemite. So I'm right here. I had to pull over real quick because I've actually been in Yosemite Valley for 2 days. So now I'm just about to enter the park and cruise through and head on home. So take you guys with me on this quick little birthday ride, and hope you guys enjoy it. So I made it in Yosemite Park. I'm just cruising along, and the weather's perfect. It's actually, I got a little bit of a late start today. I didn't sleep well the night before. As you can see, it's 8:22, but it's still cool because there's not that many cars up. Yesterday when I came in, there was a lot of cars in here, and it actually took an hour just to get into the park. Unfortunately, I came in a cage, which is why I came back today on my way home. I was like, I did not get the experience of Yosemite at all in a cage. I feel bad for people that do. It's nice, but especially I was in an RV, so I was sitting in the back and I'd have to run to the front every time they saw something cool, and my neck was starting to hurt because I'm looking straight up and practically crouching down and trying to see anything that I could. So this is the reason why I actually decided to come out today. And Yosemite does not disappoint. I used to come here a lot when I was younger. Every summer we would come as a family and camp out. So I have great memories here. It's a really beautiful park. I'd say it's definitely up there in the top parks that I visited. Obviously Glacier National Park was pretty damn awesome, so this is up there with that, but it's a nice park. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep on cruising along and turn on my camera every once in a while and show you guys Yosemite. So we're about 16 miles from Yosemite Valley, and look at the tree coverage. Like I said, I love that there's no cars here. There was a lot of cars in here yesterday, so it makes the ride a lot more enjoyable. I'm not trying to drive faster than I have to. I can drive slower if I want. So I definitely recommend coming either early, and actually I noticed even in the late afternoon it starts dying too. I think we came back about 5 and there wasn't as many people coming in the park, so I think people were kind of heading out. One thing I know is, I don't know how fast I'm gonna put this video up, but next week, which will be like the 20th, like 22nd I believe, or 23rd, around there, you have to make reservations to come into the park. So I found that out because we came in and they were like, oh, good thing you guys came this weekend, because starting next weekend you're gonna have to have reservations. We would have turned you guys around. So that was pretty crazy. So it was actually quite fortunate that we came this weekend, so we didn't have to get turned around. I'm saying we because I actually met up with one of my good high school friends, and he was out here with his wife, and they were already doing some camping, and they had a spot. And I talked to them like at 1 o'clock on Friday, and I was like, I'm gonna go with you guys. I took off. It took me a little while to pack all my gear, and as soon as I was done, I left. I want to say it's like a 6-hour ride from Los Angeles area to here, but it's definitely worth the ride. And plus I enjoy riding, so win-win. And it's my birthday. Winner winner, chicken dinner. So I'm just gonna keep on cruising along, guys. Beautiful Yosemite National Park. Well, Yosemite, it was fun. Thank you for the memories. Awesome ride. If you've never done this one, put it on your bucket list. Because I got it. This is my second time actually coming on a motorcycle. Cool trip though. Awesome trip. So yeah, if you made it this far in my video, hey, thanks for watching. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, hit the notifications button. Like and subscribe helps the channel. I really appreciate it. Have a good one. Thanks for watching. Happy birthday to me. See you on the next one.